All right, welcome back to Montana. So today we're going to cook a little bit differently on the grill. We're going to use two types of heat. One, in our Qwik-Char, we're going to use charcoal, and we're going to put the grate over that. On the other side, we're just going to use the Qwik-Char charcoal tray. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn both of these on right now. Get these fired up. That's the first one. And here's the second one. And we're going to have to wait about 5 minutes before we can shut this off, so it'll start heating up. But from this one already, we can take a look here. I mean, you can just tell to see how much this is heating up already. So we're into the 200. Oh, we hit like 315. We got 350 coming up. So while we're waiting for this side to heat up for the chicken, what we're going to do right here is we're going to come over here to where our chicken is. And we're going to get that seasoned up. And what we're using today is our Qwik-Char chicken rub, made right here in Montana. So we'll just go ahead and get some of this on here. Here we go. All right, we'll flip these over. Get them nice and seasoned. Here we go. All right, go over here and test this thing here. Oh, we're up to 550 degrees on this. You can see this is starting to smoke already. That means these coals are starting to heat up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to throw a couple hot dogs on here so we have something to snack on while we're waiting. And you can always tell, you can see right now, look how fast these things are starting to heat up. Look at that. Holy crap, look at that. Okay, as you can tell, we've had these on here about 30 seconds or so. It's definitely hot. So I guess if your kids are hungry, they don't want to wait. This is definitely what you want to do. So look at that right there. All right, what we're going to do is we're probably just going to turn these over to the side because I know they're not done on the inside, but they're definitely got a nice grill mark on the outside. So right now, you can see this. So we'll give that about another 3 or 4 minutes and then we'll shut the gas off. And for right now, we're just going to set these to the side a little bit here. All right, go ahead. All right, so we're putting the thermometer in here just to see how hot these hot dogs are. So we're up to 135, 136. So that's pretty dang quick. So a couple more minutes just sitting like this and then they'll be ready to eat. All right, we're back. So these coals are pretty close to being ready. So we're just gonna start putting some chicken on here. That. And then we're going to throw these other pieces of chicken down here directly on this thing. All right. So let's just give it a few minutes before we turn them and see what we can come up with. All right. Well, we're a couple minutes in. Let's take a look at these. Oh yeah, they're starting to sear up nice. Look at these here. Yeah, we'll give them a quick turn. Alright, we'll let them cook for another couple minutes and see how they look. So we're going to check the temperature of these. And about 170, 170. So did you know this one's done? We're going to set it right over the side. Yep. I'm going to say about all these are done. We'll pull that one and this one. This got a little more fat in it. We'll have to let that cook a little bit. And let's look at the ones over here. Oh, on the charcoal. Oop, yeah, they're grilling up nicely. I need probably about another 5 minutes on here. Okay, we're back on the grill. up here we got our chicken wings that we cooked down here in the Qwik-Char tray. And here's the wings we cooked over the charcoal. So these wings up here cooked about 5 to 10 minutes faster. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put some sauce on these things to finish these up. So one of the things that's going to be nice about this sauce is that it's just going to drop down into the tray. It's not going to drop down into the flame of the gas grill down here. So we can just drop those back down in here and let that finish up a little bit. And we're just about ready to eat these things. Oh, you can see them smoking. Oh man, boy, do they smell good too. All right. Let this sear up. There we go. All right, let's give these a few more minutes, and we'll be ready to eat Montana style. So thank you for watching this. And all right, now that our coals have cooled down, let's just pull this grate off and take a look at how much ash we got down here in the bottom. Go ahead and pull this out. So, all right, well, there we go. Not too bad. Well, thank you for joining us.